Hey there, welcome to Tech Upbeat. Folks who are using Android smartphone with pure Android running on it have this Google Discovery page with weather information and Google News articles. You just need to swipe from left towards right on your home screen, and you'll get this Google Discovery page with weather information and news articles, and sometimes you will get tips from the Android device and as well as for Google Assistant. But we have many launchers available on Android, especially Nova Launcher is a popular Android launcher. But when you use any Android launcher, you don't get this Google Discovery page. So if you installed a Nova Launcher, you might not see this Google Discovery page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate this Google Discovery page on Nova Launcher. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. So right now I'm on this Pixel launcher. Let me switch to Nova Launcher. I'm going to my settings, typing home. Default home is now Pixel launcher. I'm switching to Nova Launcher. So now try swiping from left. You don't get anything here. So what you need to do to get this Google Discovery page, just go to Nova settings, and in Nova settings you can search for Google, and you can click on this Google Discover. This Google Discover integration requires this Nova Google Companion plugin. So click on here and it will take you to this Nova Google Companion page. Download this companion, open it, install it and open, and now you see a message that this Nova Launcher Google Companion is part of this Nova Launcher. Now let's go back to the Nova settings page. Now you can see the options for Google Discover page. Check for Google Discover, edge swipe enable, and see for dark theme. So now it's activated. Let's go and check on the home screen. Tada, now you can see this Google Discovery page, and now additionally we have this Google search bar along with this weather information and news articles. That is how we activate this Google Discovery page on Nova Launcher. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks.